in the straight line.
Hip hooray, hip hooray.
Here I am once a cat.
Here we are once a cat. Now, Mia's playing with her Harry Potter Legos. We got a new Lego set. We got the Room of Requirement.
Is that the new?
Yeah, with the fire dragon. Yeah, but we've been playing with that, having a lot of fun, right?
Uh-huh.
Now, a few days ago, we tried out Darkside from Carpro. Mia, what face is on it?
Sad.
A sad face. Now,
Because I don't like it.
I know, and why don't we like it?
Because it sounds disgusting.
No, that's not why. Because it didn't stay on the tire. We put it on while you were playing. Remember, you were playing with all your friends outside, doing your scooter gang, going up and down the street. You got a girl gang, right?
Not a boy.
Not a boy gang. No boys allowed in the scooter gang?
No.
It's only girls. Okay. So.
Last time boys were in my game.
And what happened?
No, boys were allowed.
No boys allowed. So it's only girls. Mm-hmm. And you guys have fun going up and down the street on your scooters? Yeah. So while they were doing that, I put Darkside on my wife's car.
What is Darkside?
It's this one that we tried out, remember? And remember, it looked really good on the tires. Remember, they were nice and they had a nice satiny gloss to them. They were real dark, real rich, but not too shiny, not obnoxious or anything like that. I was very happy with the way that they looked. I was very pleased. And then the vehicle set for about a day and a half.
And then when it was raining, it got off.
And then as soon as it rained, the very first time it rained, it washed away completely.
Yeah.
And that's sad because we really wanted to like this. Because it's supposed to be a tire and rubber sealant, which means it's supposed to last longer. It's supposed to have hydrophobic properties. And it's supposed to...
Because the meter.
What?
It'll go down if... The product will go down if it doesn't stay in the garage.
What do you mean? So if it stays in the garage, it will stay on.
Uh-huh.
But, I mean, we have to drive the car, so we got to find a tire shine that's going to stay on the car. And this was supposed to be good. We really wanted to like it. We were hoping maybe the story we had heard about it.
We are not a fan of it.
We are not a fan of Carpro Darkside. Which is sad because we like Carpro Pearl. But it didn't last as long as we were hoping. The very first time it rained, it came off. We didn't even drive the car that far. We just went right down the street, went to the gym, and came back. So if that's all it lasts, we're going to pass on Carpro Darkside, right? So what's our rating? Sad face. Make a sad face. So thank you for tuning in. Maybe you'll have better luck. Maybe you'll have a better experience. I hope you do. The feedback I've heard throughout talking to several people has been very similar. It does not last as long as they were hoping for, which is just, it's awful to hear. I have heard about one from Kamikaze that requires a curing time and things like that. We might try that out. What do you think, Mia? Okay, so you guys have a good one. We will talk to you later. Mia, you got anything to say, everybody? Sad. Bye. This is after applying Darkside.
This is after the applying Darkside.
It was nice and beautiful.
This was nice and beautiful.
This is Darkside right here.
This is Darkside right here.
And this is after it rained one time. Look, it's all gone. Sad.